Not everyone can afford a large kitchen with plenty of storage and a pantry. If you're cramped for space in your small kitchen, there are options that can help you make the most of every square foot. Regardless of how much space you have, your kitchen should be useful and comfortable, and navigating a small kitchen may be made easier with a few small changes. Here are 10 clever suggestions to help you make the most of your cramped space. 1. Kitchen with open shelves. Open shelving is an excellent storage option for tiny kitchens lacking the space for traditional hanging cabinets. Additionally, shelves like these make retrieving plates, glasses, and cups much easier. 2. Refrigerator drawers should be color-coded. Using the underside of your fridge's pre-existing shelves, these cute little pull-out drawers quickly provide a burst of color and extra storage space. Pro tip: color code your meals with the colorful colors. 3. Spices should be kept in the refrigerator. This DIY method may appear complicated, but it's actually rather simple. Fill magnetic spice tins, such as IKEA's Gruntles or Bed Bath & Beyond's magnetic spice tins, with spices, and place them anywhere on your fridge. Pro tip: write on the rear of the tins to keep track of what's inside. 4. Invest in a mobile thin storage rack. A tall and skinny storage rack on wheels is ideal for storing items in your kitchen's oddly designed spaces. Display your French press and coffee setup proudly here, or load it with additional cleaning materials, and then move it away to a low-traffic area. 5. Utilize every corner. Lower corner kitchen cabinets have more depth and storage space, but this often goes wasted due to poor accessibility. A blind cabinet, which is a suitable option for kitchen corners, allows homeowners to access the space left when two walls of cabinetry meet at a corner. 6. Unless you're on a budget, try a pull-out pantry. Installing pull-out pantry shelves will greatly improve the amount of room accessible in your kitchen cabinets. Small bottles and cans that might otherwise get lost in the corners of the large pantry cabinets can be stored on these shelves. You'll be able to get more use out of your pantry cabinets this way than you would otherwise. 7. Install drawers beneath the stove. If the necessary clearances are met, a drawer can be built beneath a gas or electric cooktop. AGA cooktops require a 7/16 clearance beneath the cooktop. Make that the wall coverings, countertop, and cabinets surrounding the cooktop can handle the heat generated by the cooktop, up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. 8. On a DIY wire rack, you can hang anything with a loop. Not only can this space-saving, pot and pan hanging wonder store all of your cooking tools, but it also has a minimalist design that blends in with any decor, won't take up any counter space, and is relatively simple to create. Wire mesh rebar, a few hooks, rust prevention primer, wire cutters, or a metal grinder, and a power drill are all you'll need. 9. Make the most of the space surrounding your refrigerator. Consider creating a hidden DIY rolling pantry like this if you have an ounce of room between the fridge and the wall in your small kitchen. It's ideal for keeping non-perishable household items like canned groceries. 10. Make the most of your doorway. A pantry or kitchen door can be extremely useful. Everything from your spice collection to kitchen cleaning supplies can be stored on a hanging rack on your door, or on the wall just inside it. Hanging door racks are frequently disassembled into smaller components, allowing them to be used on the inside of cabinets as well.